apps not showing up in Google Play Store? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on what you can do if the apps are not showing up in Google Play Store. Well, check that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Once you do that, make sure you have enough storage space on your device. If you have any Android updates on your device, make sure you are updated to the latest version. You can do so by going on to settings and then heading over to system. Here, go to software update, and here it will check for updates and you should update it. Well, you can see on screen that my software is up to date. So the second thing you need to do is make sure your Google Play Store is updated to the latest version. Now, to do that, head over to profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. Once here, go to settings and go to about. Here, click on the Play Store version. You'll get the option to update the Play Store just if you tap on the Play Store version. Tap on update, and if your Google Play Store is not up to date, it will start updating, but if it is up to date, then it will show a text that you can see on the screen. Google Play Store is up to date. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.